Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. Yes, it must be Monday. Yes, just another Manic Monday. All right, so happy Easter and happy Passover to those of you that celebrated yesterday and last week. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. Yep, another stay-at-home weekend. So yeah, I mean, obviously we did nothing. Of course, we all had a nice breakfast together. My husband cooked us a very nice breakfast and also cooked us a very nice dinner. My son came over, which I was thrilled to see him. And yes, give him a hug. Sorry, but I do not distance from my son. And then my daughter's boyfriend came over too for Easter dinner. So that was nice. And yeah, so last week I was super duper busy doing everything but journaling. So I finally came in here yesterday and journaled. And I don't know how many videos are going to come out this week. For the last few weeks, I've been doing a ton of videos, like videos have been coming out every day. But last week, I don't know. Like many of us, I think we're just discombobulated. Whether it's conscious or subconsciously, I think obviously everyone's been affected by what's going on. So, yeah, I tried and tried last week to do like journal with me videos, to film them and to do other videos and film them. And it just was not happening because, yeah, I was pretty salty last week. So yeah, the salinity level of myself was like way high, okay? So I didn't want to bring that on. I didn't want to bring that to my videos. So we're not going to go through all that. But what I did do last week, let's get to it, Elizabeth, is I did sew this mask for my daughter. And if you did not see the video on how to make these, it is from Recreations by Brooke and Laura at Laughing Dogs Book Nook. They had put out a video, and it includes a pattern. I'll put the link below. And then I really, I wanted to do my part to help in some way, and I wasn't going to be sewing masks, so I wanted to see how I could help in some way. And then my girlfriend, my sweet friend Jerry Bellini, had put on Facebook last week something about alternatives to the ties, because I know that Brooke and Laura were having a time making those ties by hand. Bless their hearts. Let me tell you what, by hand, out of like an 1.5 inch strip of fabric, and so many inches long, and having to fold it and crease it and iron it, and oh my goodness. So when I saw the alternative to just crocheting a chain stitch, right, then I thought, oh, I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. So for 2 days last week, I spent and crocheted lots and lots and lots of ties, right? So the ties on this mask, it's just a very simple chain stitch, right? And if you want to know if you're still making masks or whatever, like of course one goes like over your head, the other one goes over your neck, and of course there are a lot, there are tutorials all over the place, but I'll link the one for this particular mask down below. And what was I saying? I forgot. But yeah, so I made a whole load of these and sent them out. So hopefully Laura's already got hers, and Brooke should be getting hers today. So yeah, so I worked on that. And then you guys might have seen this on my Instagram. So I made these really pretty galaxy cards for my daughter to send out to her students, just to say, hello, how are you? I miss you. I can't wait to see you. And some of you had asked for a tutorial, so asking you shall receive. That's how it happens on this channel. So I did do a tutorial. It'll be coming out tomorrow, and for the galaxies. And then some of her students, I made these. You've seen these. These are just like little hydrangea watercolors in a mason jar. And so a tutorial for this flower card will be coming out next week. So I worked on those for her to send to her students. And then yesterday, I was able to finally come into my room and work on my pages. So I did that. And I very much enjoyed myself, okay? So I finally, yay me, I finally got April 1st done, okay? I did the journaling and everything, and this page is really inspired by Allison, my sweet friend. Oh, by the way, I got to meet Allison face to face, so to speak, on a video chat last week, and oh my gosh, I was so excited because she inspires me so much. So if y'all have not been to Allison's channel, it's AJ's Inspired Life. You need to hop yourself on over there, subscribe, and click the bell because I love the way she journals. She's very colorful. She's very positive, very inspirational. So this page was inspired by her, and I wish that I had filmed my process as I was doing it. But then I realized it's probably a good thing that I did not because I was in here for like literally over an hour putting this page together. So I doubt any of y'all want to see that, okay, for that long. Then otherwise, I worked on making the tucks, tags, and pockets for some. It all depends on my day, how I go about journaling. This was a page that I did do on a process video, so I'll leave the link to this below if you're interested in seeing it. I think I might have added a few things even from the time that I originally did this, but see, I haven't done my journaling yet, so I do need to go back in and do journaling. On this day here, I'll go through this in a flip through, so I just collaged here. This page I might or might not have done. No, I didn't do. This page I did yesterday, did everything except the journaling, so I have to go back and do that. This, I did some of the journaling, but I still need to go back and do that. This, I need to do the journaling. So here's a lovely pocket that Brooke sent me with my date stamps, so I need to finish that. This I did was Good Friday, and then I messed up here, right? This is the 10th. This is the 12th. So guess what? Either the 11th is going to go missing, or I don't really want to cover this up because I think it's really pretty. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this. Maybe I'll just like tip in an envelope or something like that. So yeah, so I'm caught up with the decorating of all my pages, I think, which is fabulous. So today I think I'm gonna sit in here and work on my journaling so that I can just get all these done. And then let me see, see back here in March, I'm still not even done with the end of March. Oh, I did the last day, the 31st. But I still haven't done like 3 pages, and I still have to do a lot of the journaling in March as well. So yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to attempt to sit in here and work in my journal. But the great part is that most of the pages are decorated. Now I just have to journal them. And again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I work in a creative daily journal. These are books that I have made myself out of these dictionaries, and yeah, I sew 2 signatures in. Each of my books holds 2 months. And you know, on that thought, I've been asked several times over the last few weeks about, do I glue my pages together? Do I do the Fibonacci? Are you working in a junk journal now? Just a little bit of like confusion on how I'm doing things now. Back when I first started journaling, I did journal in a Fibonacci, okay, which is a DIY Hobonichi. And now I journal in a junk journal, and there are reasons why I do it this way now. And yeah, so if you want to see, or like if you want to see a video on like a comparison from my Fibonacci to the way that I journal now, some of the reasons why I don't do the Fibonacci anymore, please leave a comment below. If you'd like to see a video on that, I'd be happy to share with you. But yeah, this is how I do my journals now. I thoroughly enjoy it. I love it. And yeah, I love working like this in these types of books. Super duper fun for me. And yeah, so just let me know. Otherwise, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I think because all I have to do is journal. I mean, I can't even believe I got to this place, like, of just having to go back through here and journal. All right. So, and yeah, I'm not as salty today as I was last week. Hopefully that will continue and I can be a little bit more positive and all of that. So, yeah. So thanks for sharing your time with me. I really hope y'all have a great rest of your week and a wonderful day. And I hope that you all are staying safe and staying home. Stay home. Find something to do that perhaps you haven't done before. Try making your own journal. Try, you know, doing a collage page, or try to, you know, do a little bit of watercolor, you know. Look on YouTube. There are lots of different things you can try to do, new things you can learn. So yeah, I hope you find something that you can do that brings you joy and happiness. So thanks again for sharing your time with me, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye.